Do you think that eating 2 boiled eggs every morning means you're doing something great for your health? After all, for years, we've been told that eggs are the king of protein, right? But are you really getting enough protein to keep your muscles strong just by eating 2 eggs? Here's the truth. Eggs only give about 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's not bad, but it's not amazing either. And believe it or not, there are foods out there that give you 4 or 5 times more protein. What's even more surprising is, most people over 60 don't even know these foods exist. The scary part? A lack of protein, slowly and silently, causes muscle loss. Your steps get slower, your legs feel weaker, and the chance of falling goes up. That's why today, I want to share with you 10 foods that have more protein than eggs, all ranked from number 10 down to number 1. And that last one? Scientists are now studying it to help stroke survivors regain muscle strength. Everything I'm going to share is backed by real, published research. Welcome, dear seniors, to your channel Be Healthy Talks. If you're new here, press the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And before we begin, leave a quick comment and let us know where in the world you're watching from. We'd love to hear from you. Alright, let's get started. First up is something you've probably eaten before, but didn't realize how much strength it offers: Greek yogurt. Specifically, the non-fat, strained kind. It has about 10.3 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's nearly double what you get from a boiled egg. What makes it so special is how it's made. Greek yogurt is filtered 3 times, removing most of the liquid and lactose. What's left is thick, creamy, and rich in protein, and it's also easier to digest. A study in 2020 showed that seniors who had at least 20 grams of dairy protein daily kept 25% more muscle over 12 weeks, especially when they combined it with regular walking. It's easy to add into your diet. Just make sure it's plain, non-fat, and not packed with sugar. Add some flax seeds, berries, or mix it into a smoothie. You can also use it in dips or as a salad dressing. Next is something probably hiding in your kitchen already: chickpeas. Cooked chickpeas provide about 11.2 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's more than eggs. But beyond protein, they're also loaded with fiber, which eggs don't have at all. Fiber helps with digestion, balances blood sugar, and reduces inflammation. All things that help protect your muscles. A major study found that older adults who replaced some meat with plant-based proteins, like chickpeas, lost much less muscle over time. They also had healthier gut bacteria and less inflammation. Chickpeas are also high in magnesium, a mineral that helps muscles contract and recover. To get the most benefits, soak them overnight before cooking. That makes them softer, easier to digest, and boosts their nutrients. Once cooked, chickpeas are super versatile. You can blend them into hummus, roast them for a crunchy snack, or toss them into soups and stews. Now let's talk about a tiny grain that packs a serious punch: quinoa. Cooked quinoa gives you around 14 grams of protein per 100 grams. But what really makes it stand out is that it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. It's also high in lysine, an amino acid important for muscle repair, calcium use, and even collagen production. A study found that older adults who ate quinoa daily saw a 9% improvement in leg strength in just 8 weeks. And that's without making any other major changes. To get more out of quinoa, soak it overnight to help your body absorb more of its nutrients. Cook it in broth instead of water for extra flavor. Add some turmeric and black pepper for an anti-inflammatory boost. You can use quinoa in breakfast bowls, stir-fries, or even top it with mushrooms, greens, or a soft-boiled egg. Next up, a snack most people ignore, but one that's full of strength: pumpkin seeds. They give you 19 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's nearly double what you'd get from eggs. But protein isn't their only strength. Pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium, iron, and zinc, three minerals that many older adults don't get enough of. Magnesium helps prevent cramps. Iron brings oxygen to your muscles. Zinc helps your body repair muscle after activity. One study found that older adults who ate pumpkin seeds daily saw a 38% drop in muscle inflammation after just 12 weeks. Choose raw, unsalted seeds for the best results. Add them to yogurt, smoothies, or grind them into a seed butter. Now let's talk about a powerful food that's often used by bodybuilders but overlooked by seniors. Tempeh. Tempeh gives you 20 grams of protein per 100 grams. Unlike tofu, which is made from soy milk, tempeh is made from whole fermented soybeans, and that fermentation unlocks even more nutrients. It's a complete protein, rich in leucine, the amino acid your muscles need to grow. And thanks to fermentation, tempeh also supports your gut by giving you natural probiotics. A healthy gut means better digestion and better protein use. A study showed that seniors with healthier gut bacteria kept 18% more muscle over a year, even when their diets were otherwise the same. Tempeh is easy to cook. Slice and pan-fry it with tamari or vinegar. Add it to stir-fries, sandwiches, or salads. Its firm texture and nutty taste make it a great meat substitute. Up next is a surprising one: spirulina. This green powder offers an incredible 29 grams of protein per 100 grams, and most of it is absorbed very easily by your body. It also helps reduce inflammation, which is one of the hidden causes of muscle loss as we age. Spirulina contains a compound called phycocyanin, which lowers inflammation markers and improves blood flow, helping your muscles recover faster. You only need a small amount. Just 1 teaspoon a day, added to your smoothie or oatmeal, can help improve muscle strength and energy in just a few weeks. Now for a real powerhouse: hemp seeds. Hemp seeds contain about 35 grams of protein per 100 grams. They're a complete protein too, meaning your body can use all of it for building muscle. They're also rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fats, including a special one called GLA, which supports joint health, lowers inflammation, and even helps with mental focus. Just sprinkle a spoonful over veggies, oatmeal, or blend into a smoothie. Don't cook them on high heat though, the healthy oils can break down. Now we're getting into serious protein territory. Next is seitan, sometimes called wheat meat. It's made from wheat protein and gives a huge 39 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's as much as a high-protein steak, but without the fat or heaviness. Seitan is easy to digest and absorbs well. That's great for older adults who sometimes struggle with digestion. It's also low in carbs and fat, making it a smart choice for those watching blood sugar or cholesterol. You can slice it into stir-fries, grill it, roast it, or add to sandwiches. It has a meat-like texture that makes it super satisfying. Pair it with foods rich in vitamin C, like bell peppers or kale, to help your body absorb more of its iron. Now, let's talk about one of the most underrated protein sources out there: Parmesan cheese. Parmesan has 42 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's more than eggs, milk, or even most meat. What makes it special is the aging process. Parmesan is aged for 12 to 36 months, which means the proteins are already partly broken down. This makes it easier for older bodies to digest and use. It's also rich in leucine. Just 30 grams of Parmesan gives you enough to start muscle repair. Grate a little over warm dishes like roasted veggies, omelets, or whole grains. You don't need much to get the benefit. Just a few tablespoons can go a long way. And finally, the number one food for protein. And almost nobody over 60 is eating it. It's dried fish powder. Made by drying lean fish like cod, This powder gives an amazing 63 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's almost double what you get from chicken or even protein supplements. Your muscles can absorb and use it very quickly. One study showed that older adults who used dried fish powder daily gained 19% more lean muscle in just 10 weeks, without changing anything else. It's also rich in leucine, giving your body the clear signal to rebuild muscle. Just 25 grams of dried fish powder gives more than enough to trigger muscle growth. It blends easily into soups, stews, mashed veggies, or savory oatmeal. It's long-lasting, doesn't need chewing, and is great for anyone with low appetite or swallowing issues. Just make sure it's a clean, food-grade version with no added salt or preservatives. So there you have it, real foods with serious protein power. From chickpeas to dried fish powder, these are more than just meals. They're tools to help you stay strong, active, and independent. Even one small change can make a big difference over time. If you found this helpful, please like the video and share it with a friend who could use a protein boost. And as always, stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.